Welcome to the Destination Perfect channel, where we guide you to the most mesmerizing places around the globe. Today we're setting our sights on the enchanting town of Interlaken, Switzerland. Nestled between two sparkling Swiss lakes, Interlaken is a treasure trove of natural beauty and cultural charm. From its snow-capped peaks to its lush green valleys, prepare to discover the top 10 must-visit spots that make this Swiss gem truly shine. So, without further delay, let's dive into the breathtaking beauty of Interlaken. Starting our countdown at number 10, we have Kulm. This is the jewel of Interlaken that gracefully sits at over 1,300 meters above sea level. When you're there, you're greeted with a breathtaking panoramic view that sweeps across the beautiful town of Interlaken, the majestic Bernese Alps, and the two stunning lakes, Lake Thun and Lake Brienz. Getting to the summit is an adventure in itself, with a funicular ride that scales the steep mountainside, presenting a thrilling experience. Once you reach the top, you're not just rewarded with the views, but also a unique dining experience. The restaurant at the summit, designed in the style of a Swiss chalet, allows you to indulge in delicious cuisine while soaking up the magnificent landscape. So whether you're a photographer, a nature lover, or a foodie, Kulm has something for everyone. Kulm truly offers a view that is hard to beat. At number 9, we find the mystical St. Beatus Caves. This awe-inspiring labyrinth of underground passages and caverns is more than just a geological wonder. It's a place steeped in legend, said to be the dwelling of St. Beatus, a monk who is believed to have driven a dragon from these very caves centuries ago. As you wander through the caves, you'll be captivated by a stunning array of stalactite and stalagmite formations, each one a testament to thousands of years of slow, patient growth. These rocky sculptures, crafted by nature herself, are a sight that will leave even the most seasoned travelers in awe. And the experience doesn't end with the caves. There's a fascinating cave museum where you can learn more about the geology and history of the place. And once you've had your fill of exploring, you can relax at the nearby cafe, soaking in the panoramic views of Lake Thun and the Swiss Alps. These caves are a perfect blend of natural beauty and fascinating history. Before we continue with our list, a quick reminder. If you're finding value in this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the Destination Perfect channel for more travel inspiration. We've also curated some fantastic deals for your next holiday in the description below through our affiliate links. When you choose to book using these, you're not only securing a great vacation but also supporting our channel. Thank you for your support, and now back to our countdown. Coming in at number 8 is the stunning Schynige Platte. This magnificent high-altitude plateau offers an experience that's truly captivating. One of the highlights here is the nostalgic cogwheel train ride. As you journey up the mountain, you'll be treated to an array of panoramic vistas that are simply mesmerizing. Once you reach the top, embark on the panoramic walk. This path winds its way around the plateau, offering you the chance to marvel at the breathtaking views of the Jungfrau Region. Each twist and turn reveals a new spectacle, making the walk an unforgettable adventure. Don't forget to visit the Alpine Garden while you're there. Home to over 600 species of plants, it's a vibrant showcase of nature's diversity. Schynige Platte is more than just a destination. It's a journey that takes you through the heart of Switzerland's stunning landscapes, leaving you with memories that will last a lifetime. Schynige Platte, a place where nature's beauty is in full bloom. At number 7, we have the delightful Swiss food and culture of Interlaken. Interlaken's culinary scene is a melting pot of traditional Swiss delicacies. Imagine sinking your teeth into a plate of raclette, a local cheese delicacy, melted to perfection and scraped onto your plate. Or picture yourself dipping a chunk of bread into a pot of creamy, bubbling fondue, another Swiss cheese specialty. These are just two of the many delicious dishes that await you. Food isn't the only thing that makes Swiss culture so vibrant. The local traditions, festivals, and music add a unique charm to this quaint town. From the traditional Swiss music echoing in the streets to witnessing the colorful Fasnacht Spring Carnival, there's never a dull moment in Interlaken. Switzerland is also renowned for its world-class chocolates and watches. So don't forget to pick up a few of these iconic souvenirs during your visit. So take a bite out of Swiss tradition and savor the flavor of Interlaken. Lake Thun sails in at number 6. This expansive lake is more than just a body of water. It's a hub of activity and history. Boating enthusiasts will find plenty of opportunities to set sail on its serene blue waters. Whether you prefer a leisurely cruise or a brisk sail, Lake Thun accommodates all. For those who prefer to dip their toes in the water, there are numerous swimming spots scattered around the lake, each offering a refreshing escape from the summer heat. But Lake Thun's appeal extends beyond its waters. The shores are dotted with historic castles, each with its own unique story. A visit here offers a chance to step back in time and immerse yourself in Swiss history. From its inviting waters to the historic castles that line its shores, Lake Thun offers a unique blend of activities for all. Lake Thun, a place where water, history, and nature meet. At number 5, we have the shimmering Lake Brienz. Nestled amid the Swiss Alps, this lake is a sight to behold, its surface reflecting a mesmerizing shade of turquoise that seems to change with the sun's arc. This phenomenon is not just a visual treat, but a testament to the lake's glacial origins and the mineral-rich waters that fill it. As you traverse the lake, you'll find yourself aboard one of the classic steam paddle boats, a nostalgic nod to a bygone era. These boats offer a unique vantage point, allowing you to drink in the surrounding mountains and forests. But the allure of Lake Brienz extends beyond its waters. Numerous hiking trails snake around the lake, each promising a new perspective, a new adventure. Whether you're a seasoned hiker or a casual stroller, there's a trail waiting for you. A trail that will lead you through verdant forests and open up to panoramic vistas. Lake Brienz, a turquoise gem in the heart of Switzerland. Our number 4 pick is the majestic Jungfrau Region. A place where the spectacular and the serene meet, the Jungfrau Region is the crown jewel of the Swiss Alps. It is home to the highest railway station in Europe, Jungfraujoch, often referred to as the top of Europe. Imagine yourself on a train ride climbing to an elevation of over 11,000 feet where the panorama of snow-capped peaks is nothing short of breathtaking. And that's not all. The Jungfrau region is a paradise for winter sports enthusiasts. From skiing and snowboarding to ice climbing and sledging, it offers a plethora of activities to satiate your adrenaline rush. Experience the thrill of gliding down the pristine white slopes, with the majestic Alps as your backdrop. Whether you're a seasoned adventurer seeking your next thrill, or a traveler in search of peaceful solitude, the Jungfrau region has something for everyone. The Jungfrau region, a snow-capped wonderland. The Aare River flows in at number 3. This majestic river, a jewel in the crown of Interlaken, offers a unique blend of thrilling adventure and serene tranquility. Imagine yourself river rafting, feeling the rush of icy water against your skin, the adrenaline pumping through your veins. If you're in for a calmer experience, consider taking a leisurely swim, the cool river waters refreshing you like a natural spa. But the Aare River isn't just about water activities. Its surrounding scenery is a visual feast that you can't miss. Picture yourself walking along the riverbank, your eyes drinking in the vibrant greenery, the towering mountains in the distance and the charming Swiss houses dotting the landscape. It's a postcard-perfect view that can soothe even the most restless of souls. The Aare River, where adventure and tranquility coexist. It's a place that will make you fall in love with Interlaken all over again. A must-visit indeed. At number 2, we have the serene Hohematte Park. A gem in the heart of Interlaken, Hohematte Park is more than just a stretch of green. It's a masterpiece of landscaping, where well-manicured lawns meet charming flower beds in a symphony of colors and textures. A walk in the park is like a stroll through a living painting, with the majestic Jungfrau Mountain serving as a breathtaking backdrop. And it's not just about the beauty. The park is a significant landmark in Interlaken, a central gathering place where locals and travelers alike come to unwind, soak in the views, and even engage in some impromptu sports or picnics. Whether you're seeking tranquility amidst nature or a lively social atmosphere, Hohematte Park delivers. It's a testament to the city's dedication to preserving its natural beauty while nurturing community spirit. And as you walk through the park, you can't help but feel a part of that spirit, that community. Hohematte Park, a green oasis in the heart of the city. And finally, at number 1, we have the thrilling adventure sports of Interlaken. In a setting where the scenic beauty is next to none, it's almost a given that outdoor pursuits are a major draw. And when we say outdoor pursuits, we mean the heart-racing, adrenaline-pumping kind. Think of paragliding. Imagine soaring like a bird, gliding through the air with the stunning panorama of the Swiss Alps as your backdrop. Or, if you're one for thrills of the higher order, skydiving over Interlaken is an unforgettable experience. The rush of free-falling from a plane, followed by a serene parachute ride, affords you views that are simply indescribable. And then there's canyoning. Navigating through narrow canyon walls, rappelling, sliding, and swimming, all with the thundering sound of water in your ears. It's an adventure that combines elements of thrill, challenge, and the raw beauty of nature. But it doesn't end there. Interlaken is teeming with other adventure sports like bungee jumping, whitewater rafting, and ice climbing. Each offers a unique thrill and a new way to experience the breathtaking landscape. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie or someone looking for a once-in-a-lifetime experience, Interlaken's adventure sports offer something for everyone. These activities not only push your boundaries but also provide an entirely new perspective on the awe-inspiring Swiss scenery. Interlaken's adventure sports, where adrenaline meets awe-inspiring beauty. And there you have it, the top 10 places to visit in Interlaken, Switzerland. From the towering heights of Kulm, the mystic depths of St. Beatus Caves, the panoramic views of Schynige Platte, to the serene and captivating Lake Thun and Lake Brienz. Not to mention the culturally rich Swiss food and culture, the breathtaking Jungfrau Region, the refreshing Aare River, the peaceful Hohematte Park, and the adrenaline rush of adventure sports. Each location on this list offers a unique taste of Interlaken's natural beauty and vibrant culture. They are not just places to visit, but experiences to live. So, pack your bags and set your compass towards Interlaken, the perfect destination that offers something for everyone. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Until next time, safe travels from the Destination Perfect channel.